have found the coolest Super Bowl decor items hidden in the weirdest aisles at Dollar Tree. These items are almost exactly the same ones that you see at retail stores that are overcharging you. We don't need that. In this video, I will show you where to find these items and how to make Super Bowl party decor for way less. Let's turn these $1 items into $100 Super Bowl party decor. Be sure to stick around till the end. There will be 2 Super Bowl items you can only get from this video. We are grabbing this craft paper roll to easily decorate it to be a Super Bowl tablecloth. I am using chalk marker. Oops, make sure to shake it. You really can't go wrong with this. To draw football plays, just draw some X's and O's and arrows and have fun pretending you are the coach in today's game. This easy craft is perfect for any football party. Now we are going down the cleaning supplies aisle for more Super Bowl items. Not something I thought I would ever say, but this is how you find hidden gems. These football coasters retail from $45 to $62. We are going to make this less than $2. Why pay for expensive retail prices when you can make it for way less? You can use these scouring pads or even small patches of turf from your local hardware store. I am cutting these to be 4 by 4 inches because that is usually the size of coasters. In the middle of the coaster, I drew a line from top to bottom. Then I made 3 lines on each side. This is not accurate or anything, I just thought it looked best. Feel free to make it your own. It turns out the best method for me is to outline with chalk marker and then paint over the outline. How adorable are these? These would make great gifts for any football fan. Next is the craft aisle. Grab 4 of these wooden boards for our football centerpiece. This is my inspo. It retails for $42, but I know we can make it for under $4. Here's me casually on the ground of Dollar Tree just to make sure that these wooden boards will look like my inspo. If your wooden boards are a little scuffed up, you can always lightly sand it. I am using this yellow acrylic paint that I already have from home. This yellow totally looks like mustard. It's perfect for the centerpiece. Drop some mustard on each wooden plank. Paint each wooden plank and let it dry. Next, take out your hot glue gun and glue the pieces together to make a field goal post. And ta-da! Wait a minute, should I have? I'm not sure if I just rushed through this without thinking. Once I glued the last part of this, I immediately knew it did not look right to me. I took it off the top and hot glued it underneath. I used a pair of scissors since it was the closest thing to me to help balance the goalpost. This helps the hot glue attach everything together while it dries. Next, I went to the floral aisle for this foam piece. It will be the base of my centerpiece. I already made an indent like this, just kept pushing it down. But to secure it, put hot glue on this and then take my goalpost and just kind of put it in place for a couple of seconds to make it stable. We saved $38 by making this and it was so easy. My only regret is not making 2 of these. If you're short like me, you're going to tippy-toe and grab a picture frame. I decided to go with this 11 by 14 frame. Do you ever think these people ever thought that their photo would just end up in the middle of Dollar Tree? Walk down to the school supply aisle and grab a large black poster board. You will take out the backing of the picture frame and place it on top of the black poster board. Trace the border of your backing to make sure it fits in your frame. After you're done tracing, cut accordingly. This idea is similar to the football tablecloth. We're going to draw some more football plays. This is my inspo. I was shocked when I saw these prices. How are they charging these prices for these prints? We are making these for less than $2. Dollar Tree does have pre-framed chalkboards that you could use for this. The ones I saw were just a little smaller than what I wanted for my Super Bowl party. This is great because you can place this anywhere for your party. Let's find more Super Bowl treasure in the hardware aisle. Yep, you heard that right. The hardware aisle has something we need for our next craft. We are going to grab these electrical tapes. Oops. Much better. Then grab some mugs and these classic brown lunch bags. We are going to make something like these inspo pictures. This plastic cup costs $20 and these bags cost $15, but I can make both for less than $2 each. This idea is super easy. You will be using the white electrical tape to make the football laces, which are the white lines in the middle of the football. My advice is to line up the lines close to the bottom of the bag. You don't have to do this, I just like the look of the folded top. This football bag is ready to be filled with snacks. I did the same thing with the clear mug from Dollar Tree, but I actually was testing to see which style looked better. Do you prefer the one with thick horizontal lines or the thinner ones? Let me know in the comments what you think. I'm not sure what I should do for the rest of my mugs. Lastly, we are going to the sweetest aisle, the candy aisle. Grab some ring pops and get ready to make some Super Bowl championship rings.
You can attach these by simply stapling it, or you can hole punch it, tie a ribbon, or put a dab of hot glue and attach it to your ring pop. These are so perfect for kids. So I'm going to hole punch it together and tie a ribbon. I only found my 3-ring hole puncher, so let's just do that.
As a thank you for subscribing my channel, I have linked 2 free printables for your Super Bowl party. One printable will have the tags for the Super Bowl championship rings. The other printable will be a fun Super Bowl activity sheet I made just for you and your party. Look for the link to my printables in the description below. I love making these printables for my subscribers like you. If you haven't yet, join the party and hit the subscribe button for more free printables and easy crafts like these. We save so much money making these easy Super Bowl party crafts. This is proof you can throw a fun party on a budget. I hope these ideas are simple enough to make you say, I can make that without spending a fortune. Subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.